When we at Siemens Energy started thinking about the next generation of industrial gas turbines, we asked customers all over the world what they really expect from us and what qualities would really exceed their expectations. And here it is. The new Siemens SGT 750. Continuing a proud tradition of Siemens, this turbine is made to be counted on and counted with in all applications. Combining heritage with leading-edge design and engineering, this is a piece of machinery that is designed to deliver maximized customer value day in, day out. The rotors incorporate the heritage of Siemens electron beam welding. The single rigid compressor rotor body ensures reliable, stable, and uniform run-up in hot or cold conditions. Axial blade attachment grooves allow blade replacement without rotor removal. The turbine discs are bolted to the compressor rotor and supported with mineral oil lubricated long-life tilting pad bearings. The balancing planes allow field balancing on site without disassembly. The compressor is a 13-stage axial flow compressor with a 24:1 pressure ratio. It offers a controlled diffusion airfoil for high efficiency and 2 variable guide vanes for optimized performance, even in the most extreme conditions. The new combustor, featuring the 4th generation of DLE burners from Siemens. The burners are designed to further increase the power turndown range compared to its predecessors, maintaining NOx and CO emissions well within legislation levels. The DLE turndown capability enables the use of large single turbines, replacing multiple small units, allowing the same operating envelope. It offers robust and stable operation with dual fuel online switchover capabilities. Now, let's move downstream to the compressor turbine. The compressor turbine blades are made from conventional materials with several years of proven experience for maximized durability. To ensure perfect performance over time, online monitoring infrared cameras can be mounted on the SGT 750, allowing detailed temperature measurement of the rotating blades. All SGT 750s are mapped with the online monitoring IR cameras during engine delivery tests and later verified during regular scheduled inspections. The free power turbine is a 2-stage high-speed module nominally running at 6,100 RPM. It's equally suitable for mechanical drive application or, with speed reduction gear, power generation. The free power turbine makes the unit an excellent choice where grid requirements call for maintained power output in the event of frequency drops. It can be optimized for all ambient conditions, Arctic, temperate, and tropical climates. Let's have a look at some of the important supporting systems, starting with the drop-in design lube oil unit, the purge air unit and cooler for liquid fuel operation, the washing unit, cooling and sealing air system with easy access valves, and the gas fuel unit with shutoff valves and control valves. The overall package is designed to provide owner confidence. The modular design supports easy maintenance and maximized uptime. The built-in comfort and peace of mind extends to every aspect of ownership, from maintenance contracts to retiring and replacement. When the SGT 750 is due for service, the gas generator can be swapped in just 24 hours. All this new technology, paired with Siemens' proven solution-oriented approach, has resulted in a turnkey product that is fit for hard work in many demanding applications within the oil and gas industry as well as in the energy sector. Together with the other solutions in the Siemens Energy Total offer, the new SGT 750 will contribute to generating power and value for decades to come. Count on it.
Without cogs and gears, the world would grind to a halt. More than 1 billion gears are produced globally every year. In order to make gear production more efficient, LMT has developed a global first. SpeedCore. SpeedCore is a revolutionary cutting material with unique properties, the basis of a new and groundbreaking generation of hobs. SpeedCore outstrips the performance of traditional HSS hobs and achieves cutting figures that were previously the preserve of solid carbide mills. The secret of its superior performance? Secondary hardening using intermetallic phases. The carbon-free synthesis of iron, cobalt, and molybdenum permits an increase in high-temperature hardness without any loss of strength. And yet, the new cutting material is just one component of the SpeedCore hob. Its full potential is only realized with the addition of a tailor-made coating. LMT Nanosphere, the world's first nano-composite coating for gear hobs. The coating is built up atom by atom and protects the tool from heat and mechanical strain. Thanks to this coating, a tool has emerged which is more wear-resistant, temperature-resistant, and productive than any competitor product. The proof: SpeedCore hobs used in gear manufacture achieve 50% greater output in 30% less production time. In tests, the enhanced heat resistance resulted in an increase in cutting speed of up to 50%. To cut a long story short, the costs per gear fall by up to 30%. So what do you have to do? Just swap hobs and reset the processing parameters. No extra investments, no changes to workflow, no special staff training. The SpeedCore hob can be reconditioned without difficulty up to 12 times. The performance guarantee for the LMT hobbing system also applies to SpeedCore. Innovative cutting materials, tailor-made high-performance coatings, specialized engineering, and global service, as well as a reconditioning network. What the LMT SpeedCore gear hob means for you in concrete terms: at least 50% more gears per tool and significantly lower unit cost. SpeedCore, high performance for your gear production.
Hi Canada, my name is Alex Benet. I'm the President and CEO of the Canada Science and Technology Museum. As many of you know, the museum closed in 2014 and the team is extremely hard at work in relaunching the museum. It's going to be a fully digital immersive experience where the past meets the future, where the physical meets the virtual. We're really trying to hit a home run with this completely different immersive kind of heritage experience.
One of the first steps we took here at part of the Renewal was the need to put together a master interpretive concept plan. We've reached out across the country through our surveys and other opportunities to introduce the members to the new ideas we're bringing into the museum.
So we're going to take these ideas and we're going to synthesize them into categories of visitor experience. When we go into those design phases, we'll have some building blocks. What we hope to do is take what they have, what their strength is, which is the amazing collection, and add a layer of interactivity, so that when families with kids come through here, there are things for them to do where they can really get hands-on with the scientific principles. I'd say the main difference between starting from scratch on a new facility and rebuilding within the framework of an existing facility is that an existing facility has the staff, the collection, the expertise in-house, and that is a tremendous opportunity.
We are basically recreating a new museum. The only thing that stays is the trains and the crazy kitchen.
So what are visitors who come through the door going to see, hear, touch, and do?
There'll be showcases on the wall, floor-to-ceiling glass. There'll be showcases that are encased in the ground, as well as when the visitors are walking along the alley, you'll see artifacts from all segments of the collection, communication, transportation. It'll all be there.
It's really meant to be an aesthetic experience, just to see the beauty and the variety in the collection.
We're looking for something dynamic, active, interactive, immersive, and highly digital in the new museum.
One of the ways in which this Science and Technology Museum is different than many science centres across Canada is that it has this fantastic collection. So it's got objects that nobody else in Canada has. It's going to be a much more engaging museum. People are going to want to come to it and not only come in through the doors, but part of the national mandate for the museum is to take the science and technology experience that happens in Ottawa across Canada.
We're on a countdown here at the Canada Science and Technology Museum until we reopen in the fall of 2017. And I can tell you that all the staff are incredibly excited about those first visitors coming through the doors, watching kids interacting with the new museum, seeing those wow moments in the adults' eyes for families, for grandparents, and watching them interact with the new displays is something that we're all driving towards.
It's going to be celebrating the first 50 years of the institution in style, maybe in a way that we never would have had an opportunity to do without the closure. But it's also going to hopefully set the stage for the next 50 years. It's going to be fun.